Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Muhammad Saiful Adnan. I will describe a little how if I was asked to move to a new country. So I will move to Saudi Arabia in Medina. Why? Because there are so many ulama Ahlus Sunnah religion there that make me want to study with them. To deepen the science of Islam, the ulama there are different from the ulama in Indonesia. Because the ulama there are very the quality of knowledge and strictly following the teaching of the Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. In Indonesia, there are many ulama who practice that do not have the teaching of the Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, make it less qualified. Next, it is also a country that is said to be an Islamic country because Saudi Arabia uses Islamic law as the country constitution, and Islamic law enforced there makes we want to live in Saudi Arabia. Then Saudi Arabia has unique tradition such as respecting guests. When serving to honor guests, they consider it an obligation. Then when serving guests, they will leave their personal affairs and focus on serving. They will serve a lot of food until the food is served. Can't be eaten all of them because of the amount of food served. And they serve guests not only alone, but they also invite their neighbors to serve guests, to invite them to eat with guests. I think it's a very good tradition. Next, then food in Saudi Arabia is known for food that are rich in spices, such as the food that I like, namely kebuli rice, nasi kebuli. Kebuli rice is now available in Indonesia that sells it. So I know how kebuli rice tastes. Then fruits such as dates, raisins, and so on are delicious and sweet. In Saudi Arabia, it has two seasons, namely summer and rainy. But it is very hot there, unlike Indonesia. In Saudi Arabia, during the day, heat is more than 50 Celsius, very hot. Very hot. Maybe it's a picture. Maybe it's a picture if I move countries and live in Saudi Arabia. Not picture. Maybe it's describe if I move countries and live in Saudi Arabia. That's it. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.